हेलो।
हेलो। नमस्ते जी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
कहाँ से बोल रही हैं आप?
बैंगलोर से बोल रही हूँ।
बैंगलोर। हिंदी आता है?
हाँ, हिंदी आता है, इंग्लिश भी आई कैन मैनेज।
अच्छा। अच्छा, ठीक है।
See, actually, I'm
ठीक है,
very happy
सर।
to talk to you first, and
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
I'm following your all videos and all,
ओके।
but I'm following all the diet and all. Sometimes क्या होता है वो प्रॉपर से करने से भी ये नहीं होता है। यहाँ पे
हम्म।
देखना पूरा,
हम्म।
यहाँ से
ये कितना टाइम हो गया इसको?
मे बी अराउंड 5 6 years.
5 6 years। हाउ लॉन्ग यू बीन फॉलोइंग माय डाइट?
Last almost 1 year is completed. Between
ओके।
sometimes I cannot, I'm not following properly. But now
ओके।
last 15 days, almost 1 month, I'm doing strictly. I'm taking now whey
ओके।
protein also. I'm taking this multivitamin tablet and omega
ओके।
3. And
ओके।
I'll get up. I'll take first 1 spoon ghee with the hot water, and
ओके।
I'll take lemon water and tender coconut also. I will take it, and
ओके।
after that I'll make previous night only I'll soak all the nuts and seeds.
ओके।
Next day morning I'll take with whey protein and one any fruit,
ओके।
with the mixed fruit, and this smoothie is my breakfast. After that, I'll take multivitamin. Then I'll afternoon for lunch I'll take salad. One or two times I will prepare salad or एक खीरे का सब्जी or mixed vegetable salad. After that
ओके।
I'll eat some one roti or some rice, something. Rice very
ओके।
less. I'll use millet. And
ओके।
after evening I'll take after coming again I'll make some kira sabji and dinner, and after that I'll take multivitamin. This is my diet, but still it's becoming more actually.
ओके। ओके। सो एंड व्हाट इज योर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी?
Physical morning I will do yoga and walking, that and all I'll do.
ओके। डू यू कंप्लीट 10,000 steps daily?
Yeah, almost 7 8 it will be.
Okay, all right.
And
So
last two
first of
days I
all, you need to
started
be regular,
evening
regular with
after
the diet.
dinner also I'm started going walk.
Okay, okay. Do you take any kind of stress, by the way? Because stress is equally important for
Yeah.
increasing pigmentation. And do you have
Yeah,
any
I
kind of
will do.
stress in
I will
life?
do. Yeah. Any tips for me
No.
to how to reduce? I'm becoming
Okay.
stressed
So first
actually.
of all, do not take any kind of stress.
Okay,
This is the
okay.
number one priority. Do not take any kind of stress. You know
Yes.
what will be, it will be. You can't control things.
Yeah.
He is the
That
one
is
who
true.
will control everything, right?
No,
So do
stress means
not.
going office and coming only is the main stress. You know, Bangalore is
Yeah,
too much
that
traffic.
ये छोटा छोटा स्टेप चलेगा,
Ah,
इतना
that
स्ट्रेस
only.
तो चलता, कोई
Personally,
बात
I am
नहीं,
very
दैट्स
happy.
ओके। ऑलराइट।
That is,
ऑलराइट।
there is no
Then
stress. Mm.
number two, make sure you complete 10,000 steps daily. It is
Okay.
important. All
Yeah,
right. So
definitely.
this, now you have mentioned that you've started taking diet completely, which
Yeah.
is good actually. You're
Yeah.
taking whey protein, fish oil, and super green also.
Super green, I'm not
Or
taking.
okay.
Multivitamin,
So
I'm
maybe,
taking.
so whatever I've seen your diet, the diet that you mentioned, I think green leafy veggies you're taking it, right?
Yes, yes. Every day I'm started
Okay.
taking. Mm.
Chia seed, are you taking 2 spoons
Chia
of
seeds,
chia seed
flax
daily?
seeds, sunflower seeds, and
Mix.
pumpkin seeds. And
Okay.
even
Not more
sometimes
than
the,
2 spoons.
huh?
Make sure
No, no,
not
no, no,
not
no.
more than 2 spoons.
Yeah, yeah,
Two
yeah.
spoons
That
are
is,
enough.
I will make it half of spoon mixed, and
Okay.
5 6 almond, walnut, and pista, and the dates, and
Oh
Brazil
yeah, yeah,
nuts. That and all I
yeah,
will
yeah.
soak it night.
All right.
Even
So
anjeer
diet is
also.
almost, you are almost there actually. Just
Yeah,
be
yeah.
consistent with your diet and
Mm,
physical activity, and do not take any kind of stress. Believe me, this
yeah.
will be vanished within few months, I would say.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Definitely, I'll come back again. I'm
All
daily,
right.
I'm seeing you. It is like for me
Definitely.
one inspiration, motivation.
Thank you.
Whether
Thank
I'm
you.
devotional songs I'm hearing or not, every day morning while going walking, I will see videos and listening and doing walking.
And believe me, it's not about pigmentation. If you have any other problem
Hmm?
physically, mentally, that will also be vanished. If you have
Okay,
any
okay.
other problem, also
No,
that
no,
will
I
also
don't
be
have
vanished
any
with
other
good
kind
diet
of
and workout.
problem except pigmentation. I don't have
Okay.
any kind or anything because I'm a 56 years old. I don't have
Okay.
any kind of health issues.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's very, very nice.
yeah.
It's good to talk to you, and I hope we will talk to each other soon once this will be vanished.
Definitely, definitely. I'll call you
All
back.
right.
Thank you so much. You are one big
Thank you.
inspiration for all whoever is having pigmentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Take care.
namaste, namaste. Thank you.
नमस्ते। मैम बैंगलोर से थी और बहुत अच्छे से डाइट फॉलो कर रही हैं, इस एज में वर्कआउट कर रही हैं, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इंप्रूव कर रही हैं। देखिए ऐसे ही पिगमेंटेशन जाता है जीवन में ना। एक बार आप ना, ये माइंडसेट जरूरी होता है किसी भी चीज को हासिल करने के लिए। एक बार आपने माइंड बना लिया कि मुझे करना है तो करना है, फिर आप पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखते।